आपल्या क्लासेसमध्ये बरेचसे विद्यार्थी एकेका नवीन विषयावर चर्चा करत आहेत. त्यापैकी आजसुद्धा दोन लहान मुलं आपल्यासमोर व्हाय इज द चॅलेंज इम्पॉर्टंट इन द लाईफ या विषयावर डिस्कस करतील आणि एक हिंमत वाढवण्याकरता, एक आत्मविश्वास वाढवण्याकरता, एक प्रेरणा वाढवण्याकरता ही व्हिडिओ तुम्ही आवश्यक पहा. जर तुम्हाला ते आवडले तर लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा. जर तुम्हाला कोणत्या विषयावर डिस्कस हवी असेल तर तुम्ही तिथे कमेंट्स करा.
So hello guys, this is Aditya Doshi and I am in a 9th standard and I am belongs to a Tilhara's CS spoken classes of Edi sir and here is my friend Om. So you introduce yourself.
Okay, so my name is Om Ganesh Pate. I am learning in 8th standard now. I am belong from the Tilhara CS speaking class and now I am in 8th standard.
So now our discuss topic points and question is that why the challenge is important in a life. As like the firstly I want to say that what is meant by challenge. As like the challenge is that thing that makes a man stronger than a person who has not expects a challenge. Okay, so what can you say about this?
So challenges are important in every person's life because by that challenges we can increase our skills and we can increase our hobby also. Because if now I have in the interest in the chess, so now if someone give me challenge, so I will do the much more practice of that chess because by the challenges I will do much more and more practice, and due to that my skill will develop, and by that I can become the player also. So what is your
And the challenge is that thing that comes on us as like firstly the challenges according to me the challenges are two types. Firstly the challenge we know and the second challenge is we don't know what challenge is that. So I think that both are different challenges. As like the challenge can make firstly I tell that the challenge makes man stronger. As like now this is a great challenge for us that we are speaking on the YouTube channel. As like firstly we know that what that challenge that we are speaking on the YouTube channel, but if another challenge is as like we don't know what are that challenges, so that's are very difficult. So what will you say about that
Means
both
now-
challenges?
means now according to me the challenges which we don't know, so these are the life challenges that now much more students are doing. Now I am in a standard, so for the 10th standard there is a challenge that we have to increase our scores, means percentage in the 10th class, and we have to come in the merit list. So for that challenges are important, and if someone is giving to us challenge that if you can do six chapters in the day, so I can do seven chapters. So means this is the challenge. So due to the challenge we increase our study, that we have to do much more chapters than our friend, means who is giving to challenge to us. So this is my opinion.
And the challenge can gives us experience and a confidence. As like many challenges are comes on us that very are difficult. So that time we know what the challenge are gone. So that time that's another time we know what I can do that do in that challenge. So I have that experience and I have confidence so that I can face that challenge in the past. So that time I can face many difficult challenges. As like now you tell that the 10th standards point, as like you tell that 7 chapters you do and anybody challenges you for a 6 chapters. So that time you challenges can you have experience that you can learn the 7 chapters, you tell that, and another time you have confidence that you do a 7 chapters. So that time another time you can do 8 chapters, you know. You that, so you tell that the challenges can give us experience. So you tell your experience.
So according to me, the experiences are the most important thing in every person's life in the challenges, because now by that challenges, if now we face the challenge, and we can share the experience of to our friend that I take this struggle. So if you will take this struggle, so you will also face this all challenge, and you will also win on in this challenge. So according to me, the experience and confidence are important, because only due to confidence we have the we have the confidence that we are confident that we are able to face this challenge, and I can
So-
face this challenge. So
I think that I can tell you some points as like if a person is not able to get the challenges, so that time his life become a dull, because now in the period of a corona, there is no offline exam, so that time the students are not able to study, so that time they have no main aim to get the challenge, so that time they become the students life become a dull, but now this time the schools are open, so that time this is a very big challenge for students. And in our world there are two types of persons, as like first is who like to face a challenges, and the second is don't like to face a challenge. In the both in the life of both persons there are lots of a difference, as like the challenge makes man stronger, but a person who don't like challenges, so that time that person's and a man's life, but in the person's life, as like he likes to face a challenges, so that time his life become very best, and he goes to the successful way. So you say that.
So according to me, we should take the challenges, we should accept the challenges, but only the challenges which are good. Because if some challenges are bad, so we should not accept that. Because by that we are in the loss. Only due to the challenges, some challenges only bad from the bad way. So according to me, we should take the better type of decision. So lastly, you listen carefully, and you support us. So for that, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe, and you should listen our videos. So thank you.